Hey everybody, your boy Ghost here at Tampa Harley-Davidson again. All right, right now I'm gonna showcase the 2021 CVO Limited. This one is in the bronze armor color. Absolutely beautiful color. You start up front with this bike, this has got the adaptive LED headlight. So you lean into a corner, depending on speed and lean angle, you're gonna get some additional light thrown over into the corner. Drop down to the wheels on this, you got the Tomahawk 5-spoke wheel on this. Exclusive to the CVO Limiteds. You can even see that bronze armor they've got on the lip of that rim, just to kind of make it stand out. And as you float through the bike itself, going from front to back, your highway pegs got bronze armor on the bottom of them. Your floorboards, the rear passenger floorboards. You know, they went all out and getting this thing cleaned up and dressed up just so you have the hottest bike out there. It's got the 117 cubic inch motor, so the biggest motor that Harley-Davidson produces is on this motorcycle. You can see the seat on this, it's set up for long, comfortable rides. Lower back support, and you also got that quick detach on that rider backrest up top. Along with that, it is heated. You have a low heat and a high heat. This is for rider and for passenger. So you start getting out of Florida and into those little bit colder climates, you are gonna keep your tushy a little bit warmer. This bike also comes with 2 fobs on the motorcycle, which are not like any other. You have a remote so you can lock and unlock your saddlebags and your tour pack. At night, if you're emptying that saddlebag, they do have a light that's on the bottom of that tour pack that will shine into the saddlebag itself. So this way you're not pulling out your phone looking for that flashlight, you know, any kind of trouble while trying to get into this. It has that Boom GTS system up front. Again, a very manageable system, very friendly system. Help you get down the road for those longer rides. Got your GPS there so you don't get lost, even though we kind of like to get lost on these sometimes. Again, being the CVO, you got that heated seat option, but you also got heated grips. This one also comes equipped with the new RDRS system. So that's gonna give you enhanced capabilities as far as cornering ABS, hill assist, rain mode. So you got a lot more features in this one to help you keep you safe and on the road and keep you riding. All right, everybody, so that is the 2021 CVO Limited in the bronze armor. Come check it out at Tampa Harley-Davidson. We're right here on Dale Mabry Highway, or check us out anytime, 24/7 at hdflorida.com. Come check out this bike, come check out your boy Ghost. Peace, now get out of here.